know about the mercantilism philosophy, let us now understand about the Physiocracy school of economics. It was founded in the 18th century France and is characterized chiefly by the belief that government policy should not interfere with the operation of natural economic laws. Major economists such as Quesnay-Turgot belong to the Physiocracy school of thought. Physiocracy was an agrarianist philosophy and believed that land is the source of all wealth. They also pictured a predominantly agricultural society and therefore attacked mercantilism not only for its mass economic regulations but also for its emphasis on manufacture and foreign trade. Both physiocracy and mercantilism are strikingly different. Physiocracy deals with the order of nature, whereas mercantilism deals with the growth of nation by trade surplus.